So we're back here at the Open Bridge Kitchen in Williamson Wines, pairing one of the seasonal favorites as cookies around the holidays. And we're going to pair it with this beautiful Arouse Mélange, which is a Bordeaux blend, normally designed for really complex, heavy stews and casseroles, but today with the sugar and spice Herbie specialty recipe blend. What do you think, Colin?
It's Christmas time. I'm in the spirit, Sam. We're not going to be utilizing the Herbie spice blend really inside of the cookie, but it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to kind of be tossing it outside of the cookie. And also doing it with kind of a non-traditional way, I guess, with the wine, right?
Absolutely. Big red wine goes with something light and delicate like a Snowball cookie.
Excited to start.
Yeah, me too.
All right. Step one of these beautiful Snowball cookies is we're going to cream the butter and the sugar in the old trusty mixer.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Butter first.
Butter first.
So we're going to throw it in there.
Get it in there. I'll help you out. A little teamwork.
Thank you. And then we just add the sugar right on top.
Right on top. We're going to start it kind of on medium-low at first. So it looks very nicely creamed. So we have these three elements. We have the egg, the milk, and the vanilla. We're going to go ahead and start off with the egg first. Beautiful.
I know, right?
So we're just going to incorporate that egg for about 20 seconds as I squeegee down the side of the bowls a little bit.
Colin, it's important to do it in this order so you get the right end result.
100%. You know, a lot of mistake people do when they make cookies is that after they cream their butter with their sugar, they'll just add all their eggs in at once, or all their eggs and milks and all that. And it just makes your butter still clumpy, and it doesn't make it creamy. So when you do actually make the cookie dough, that all the ingredients are broken apart. Now we can introduce the dry ingredients. And Sam, what I would do is with the baking soda and baking powder, just go ahead and dump that on top of the cocoa powder. And then we'll just add it all at once. If we turned it on high, it'd be a cocoa cloud in here.
That's right.
We don't want that. It looks so chocolate creamy. Let's go ahead and add the flour and a little bit of salt.
Sure.
Perfect. And we're going to turn it up to low medium. My mouth is watering already.
So before we throw these on the baking sheet right here, how long do you normally mix it for? Because I know a lot of people want to know, like, how long do I whip it into the...
Sure, and that's a really good question. Usually after I put my flour in, Sam, I'll mix it for maybe a minute. I don't want to overmix it.
Right.
You just want to get it to where the last of the flour is just incorporated. So usually at this point, what I like to do is just take the bowl off the mixer, wrap it a little bit of plastic wrap, and just toss it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes.
So while Colin's putting that in the fridge, it's a good time to open the wine. Now, the wine here is such a rich, full-flavored wine. It's a mix of all 5 of the primary Bordeaux varietals.
Okay.
So we have Merlot, Cabernet, Cabernet Sauvignon, right? Then a little bit of Cab Franc, a little bit of Malbec, and a little bit of Petit Verdot.
Nice.
All blended into this wine. Here you go, Colin.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. How long has the Williamson's been making this wine?
So Arouse is one of the newer wines to our lineup. It's something that my dad makes to go with really rich, savory foods, typically. But today we're going to do it with the exact opposite because it also works with that beautiful, sweet sugar and spice blend.
Beautiful. Well, while the dough's sitting in the fridge, let's go ahead and make the powdered sugar coating. And it just smells like holiday as well. Give it a little stir. Set that aside.
That was easy.
Pretty simple.
Yeah.
Our dough has sat for 30 minutes and looks absolutely wonderful. I'm going to put some dollops on a sheet pan and get baking. And these dollops don't have to be perfect. They can be rustic.
And you think that's like, what, the size of a golf ball kind of size?
I would say...
maybe just a little bit smaller?
Maybe just a little bit smaller. All right, let's toss these in the oven. We're going to put these in a bowl right here.
And it's important to get a nice even coating around them?
Absolutely. And tossing them too, you know, they're not going to fall apart on you. All right, we've got our last one on there. And then how I finish these cookies, just a little bit of the blackberry, just goes on top.
great. You know what the best part about baking is?
What's that?
You get to drink wine while you do it. I think you should try one, see what it's like.
Let's do it. And how about this? You take the drink.
Okay, deal.
Mmm. Delightful.
I bet. So that's dessert for the December Wine Club recipes, and I think that it's an easy one for anybody to do at home and really enjoy for the holidays.